Hey Kiwi Decoders, this is Michael, and I would like to invite you to join me in Columbus, Ohio on August 1st for Your First PWA. I'll be running a workshop at JavaScript and Friends, where you're going to learn all about progressive web applications, and you're going to learn about them by building them. So in this workshop, we're going to be covering service workers. We're going to see what they are, how to write them, and how to update them. We're going to be learning about cache storage, and we'll see how this tool built right into your browser can cache all of the JavaScript and HTML assets so that your application is available even when your users are offline. And then we'll learn about IndexedDB. This is a database built right into your browser that can store offline data for your applications. Now don't worry, we won't be building everything from scratch. By the end of your first hour, we'll build a progressive web app on top of Gatsby. Gatsby is an awesome static site generator built on React that offers PWAs right out of the box. So after users install your application on their mobile device, their content is available offline. And then, by the end of the second hour, we'll build an application based on Google's Workbox. Workbox gives you full control over the service worker so that you can control exactly how things are updated and installed. And then, by the end of the workshop, you'll build an application using Janaka. That's my very own framework. And Janaka gives you offline capabilities using IndexedDB and immutable data structures. So, in order to get set up for this workshop, you're going to need to be running Linux, either on Windows or on Mac OS. On Windows, the best way to run Linux is the Windows subsystem for Linux. So go ahead and get that installed. And then you'll need to run Node. At least Node 8, but I recommend Node 10. And then finally, you're going to need to have your own text editor all set up and working the way that you want. I'll be using Visual Studio Code. You can use whatever is most comfortable for you. Once you've got everything set up, go to javascriptandfriends.com and sign up for the conference. And then I will see you on Thursday, August 1st for Your First PWA.